Okay, good morning, everybody. Okay, we're going to start with explanation for our activity for our math class. So as you can see, you have this image that is math activity and with care products. So we're going to choose the items that you prefer, uh, 5 items, and you can add until 10 items. Okay, and you're going to explain in more how many did you buy and how many did you buy on April. Okay, so what is the idea here? We're going to create our first graphic. Okay, so we're going to do this procedure, that is this, and we're going to create the graphic. Here, this is the graphic of the think product that you buy. As you can see, it represents blue represents Mars and red represents April. So it's really easier to understand. Okay? I like that you do this and you share with my email. Okay? You're going to share, putting here my email, that is cristina.borda@edit.com. Okay, and you're going to share with me and I can see your work. That is really easy. Why? Because we're going to start practicing graphics organization of the information of your data. Okay, so as you can see, this is our first activity for today, and after that we're going to have our virtual class using the link that I sent. Okay, my dear students, so that's all, and see you in the class. Bye bye, miss you.